nagluto rin ako guys ng bacon para almusal nila. So ito yung eggs. Oh, good morning guys. So maaga ako nagising guys para magluto ng almusal at saka magluto ng quesadilla para sa kanilang lunch ni Samantha at saka ni Shelton. So ito guys, nakapagluto na ako. Yan, bacon, tomato gravy at saka eggs. At mayroon ding ano guys, biscuits. Ayan, nasa loob pa ng oven, hindi pa siya luto. So ayan yung quesadilla guys. So, yan yung baonin nila ni Samantha at ni Shelton. Natapos na yung kay Shelton. Andun pa yung kay Samantha nakasalang. Hindi pa tapos guys. So ayan yung kay Shelton. Ready na. Yung chips. Kompleto na yan. Kay Samantha din. Kompleto na din. You wanna eat first or you want me to do your hair?
Maybe do my hair while I'm
okay.
eating.
No, I can't do that while you're eating. Eat first. Quick. Or you want me to do it? We still have time. Gusto niya kasi, ano, paayos yung buhok niya, guys. Where is your ponytail? Okay, get it, please. So, okay na, guys. Ready na lahat. Ang kanilang baon. At saka ang kanilang breakfast. Luto na pala, guys, ang biscuits. So, aayusin ko muna yung buhok ni Samantha. Saka siya kakain. So, ayan. Si Sam, guys. Yan yung buhok niya. Yan. Naayusan ko. Kumakain na siya ng breakfast. Kasi, 7 o'clock na. Alis siya ng... What time you guys leave here? 7:20? 7:15? 7? It's already 7 o'clock.
7:05.
Ah, okay. You wanna eat? So here is kissing na. Okay, you want eggs? You want eggs? Okay. Okay.
Water bottle.
I got your water bottle and then Daddy is outside now to drop you off.
Have sanitizer just in case.
Okay, that's good.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye, Sisi. Yan yung, don't forget your violin. Love you.
Love you.
Umuulan, guys. What are you looking? Oh, shoes?
Looking for my shoe.
Okay.
Shoe.
Gonna close this one because someone is gonna come out.
I love you.
Love you, bye-bye.
So sorry, I love you.
Okay. Sawyer. Sisi said, I love you. Kumakain si Sawyer, maaga nagising. Mamaya maaga rin matutulog. So guys, papunta muna kami sa school ni Sam dahil nagka-emergency. Natamaan siya guys ng sapatos sa mukha niya nung PE nila. Tapos sumakit din yung tiyan niya. So kuhanin ko siya guys ng maaga. Mag-aalas 12 pa lang. So iyak na siya ng iyak guys. Kuhanin ko siya guys. Tumawag yung asawa ko kasi yung school niya ay tumawag sa asawa ko. Tapos yung asawa ko tumawag sa akin. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang pick upin. Dahil nga sa masakit yung tiyan niya. Tamaan ng sapatos nung kaklase niya dahil sa nag-PE sila, siguro accident lang guys, o naglalaro siguro yung yung kaklase niya, kaya siya tamaan. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung full detalye ng pangyayari. So mamaya ulit guys. Yeah. Oh, okay. Come over here. There's a car. So, masakit yung andito na kami sa school guys. So, pinuha ko na siya. Bumalik pa kami kasi kailangan ng ID pag once chinek out si Sam sa loob ng school. Okay. Inside now. Sakit pala yung tiyan niya. Sakit yung tiyan niya at nahihilo siya dahil dun sa nangyari. So, pauwi na kami guys. Andito na kami sa bahay guys. So, nagbihis lang ako tsaka yan ang linisin ko guys today. After ko nasundo si Sam. Ayan, si Sam. Your stomach still hurts, Sam? You go upstairs, go. You go upstairs. Just lay down over there. Ang ganda ng posisyon ng amo ko, oh, habang kumakain ng tinapay. Maaga umuwi asawa ko guys, so siya ang gumawa sa kusina. Naglinis siya guys, ako naman nakaupo. At nagnunood ng YouTube sa cellphone ko. Ayan siya guys, naghugas ng pinggan.
You can't go outside, Remy.
Si Sam, gawa ng homework.
Somebody help Remy.
Come on, so.
You didn't give me a kiss. You were like, oh, his face, mommy.
Gonna give a kiss and hug of Sisi
Face.
before we go down.
Sorry.
You're
Mommy,
done?
like
Go,
this.
go.
My face
One
was
more.
Like this and he went,
One more, one more. One more, Sisi. Kiss Sisi, one more. Go. Okay. He's in the
Fire.
bad mood. Aalis kami guys, lahat kasi pupunta kami sa football practice ni Shelton. First practice football niya guys. Come on, let's go. You better not throw that away. Come on now. Let's go. Come on. Dito na kami guys sa park kung saan si Shelton ay maglalaro ng football. So, ayan si Samantha tsaka si Sawyer. Dito ako maghintay guys kasi mainit. Yun sila. Papunta na sila guys sa meeting para makapag-start sila ng kanilang games. Or just stay here. Go Sawyer.
You want to feed one?
The big one. Chicken Sawyer.
No, here, feed it, feed it. Feed it.
Oh no, just throw it. Just throw it. Good job. Oh look. Tapos na ang practice ni Shelton, guys.
I'm so good at football.
Papunta kami ngayon ng farmer's market.
You think, boy?
It's fun, Shelts.
Very fun. Like you get to pull people's flags. You get to run. You get to run from people. With people gonna pull your flag.
That's
so
good.
fun. We have a game on Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know. But maybe practice on Tuesday.
He'll send a text out.
Ganda dito guys. Ito yung farmer's market dito sa amin. Medyo malayo-layo to guys. Pero okay lang. Kasi maraming vendors. So guys, yung nabili natin. It's inside.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
the
so I need
farmer's
to.
market.
I'm gonna go around this, okay?